Do you need protein supplements to build strength and muscle? My name is Louis Bertis. I'm a physician assistant and your diabetes reversal health coach. And this has actually been a mission of mine for the last year to prove that you do not need protein supplements, even as a vegan, to build strength and muscle. And I want to be the living proof. Now, before I go into my own journey, I do want to answer a question that diabetics might ask. Well, what does that matter for someone who has high blood sugars or who is pre-diabetic or diabetic? Well, when you have lean muscle, that is fat-free muscle, you actually are improving your chances of reversing diabetes and normalizing your blood sugar levels, because diabetes, specifically type 2 diabetes, though type 1 diabetics can suffer from this, is caused by insulin resistance. That is basically when your body's resisting insulin. What causes insulin resistance? It's too much fat that's stored inside the muscle and liver. So when you build lean strength, that's fat-free muscle, you're actually making it a lot easier to reverse that insulin resistance and have your muscles, the biggest demanding organ for when it comes to energy, utilize blood sugars more efficiently. So yes, even as a diabetic, you should work on a muscle building program, a strength building program, which we'll have linked in the description section if you're looking for workouts. But this is not about you. This is about me taking on the protein supplement companies. So I'll show pictures here. This is me when I was overweight in college and prior to going into a vegan plant-based diet. With time, I lost that weight, but I wanted to challenge myself and see if I, while going to the gym and exercising regularly, could do away with protein supplements. There were a couple of reasons why. Number one, they tended to give me diarrhea, the protein powders, protein bars, and all those stuff. But I also wanted to prove to myself and also to the world that real food is enough. We don't need protein shakes and protein cookies and protein chips and protein powders, protein drinks to get stronger and leaner and build muscle. Now, I will have to say that obviously having protein supplements does give someone an advantage, especially if they're looking to do this professionally, if you're a bodybuilder or weightlifter. But how many of you watching are bodybuilders, weightlifters? Most of us are average Joes, okay? So unless you're in that category, or you have a digestive issue where you can't take in nutrition, you're older, and your nutritional digestion is compromised, then you don't need protein supplements, as I am living proof. So these are some pictures again of me losing weight, what we call cutting, and then bulking after without protein supplements, and gaining that weight back. So how do you know that you're getting stronger? It's obviously you see the results in the gym. These are some videos of me working out and seeing visibly the weight that I could lift increase while taking no protein supplements. I mean, eating nothing but real food, even plant-based vegan food, okay? What food did I eat? I was eating, obviously, the same variety that all whole food plant-based diet eaters, or I don't like to say diets, those who are on whole food plant-based lifestyle eat. That is legumes. Those are a rich source of protein. Soy milk. I did drink a lot of soy milk. And then, of course, I had my whole grains like oatmeal, and quinoa, and I would have your fruits, vegetables, nuts in moderation, and seeds. So a real whole food plant-based diet and still gaining strength while getting leaner on the scale. That's one way you can know that you're actually gaining lean muscle, because your pant size starts to decrease, your waist, your pant size, you can see your pants are getting loose, and the scale is either not moving or it's increasing. So I was noticing that my weight would go up even though my body was losing fat in the stubborn areas, while again relying on real food. So the point of this all is simple. Stop wasting your money with protein supplements and protein shakes and protein drinks. You don't need it if you're the average person, okay? And this food industry lie that your muscles are gonna waste away if you don't have protein from their protein-infused junk is a lie. It's a gimmick to sell you. All you need is real food. Even foods from a plant-based origin. And you can gain strength, build lean muscle, look awesome, feel great, and we will have a video eventually that tells you all the benefits of resistance training and lean muscle building. I'm very passionate about that, so definitely watch out for that. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, then go ahead and hit the like, subscribe button. And as always, beloved, I pray above all things that you may prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. See you next week.